Here we go. Cold starting window air conditioners in stores in the snowstorm. I'm not sure if the compressor will kick on this one. I lost a remote to it, and sometimes it won't want to kick on anymore. I believe this is a 2005 higher. Correct me if I'm more wrong. This is a Ricci Precision compressor. Shop bearings, broad ocean fan motor, piece of junk. Those crappy GFCI plugs. This thing has been unplugged for a few weeks. We actually had this random hot spell, and we actually ran it once in the winter time. Here's the compressor will kick on today. There's one of these in my room that's just like it. Test that one too. Honestly, this one's running pretty good. I'm not sure if the compressor will kick on. Let's go outside. By the way, we're using box fans today. Well, there's it installed in the window to show you that it's a snowstorm. Yep, it's a snowstorm. It has a Ricci Precision compressor, the broad ocean fan motor. I can't really get up to it. There's a lot of stuff in the way. We'll go back inside. Can't hear the compressor really turning on. We're gonna leave this thing running throughout the video, and we're gonna come back here a little bit later. Well, let's see if this one works. This is a White Consolidated Industries window air conditioner in my living room. Do fan only. This thing has always been such a quiet air conditioner. Oh, cool. This has a Rotorex compressor, if I remember right. There's the vent thing. I don't even know where the thing is for the vents. Oh, there it is. Why it's blowing all the way over there. This thing was a workhorse this summer. We had a heat wave. There's a random heat wave this summer, and this thing is able to keep us quite warm and quite cool. This one's been alternated between the living room and my bedroom. 6,000. The new windows definitely helped this thing with its efficiency. We'll go outside. That compressor always has a mean sound to it. To still show you it is a snowstorm. Go start up the bedroom unit next. Always a nice looking unit though from outside. I always liked how this one looked. It always sounded quite mean too. This one came with the house. This was here when we moved in. It's definitely worked hard. And yes, I'm not wearing any shoes or socks. That just shows you how much of a man I am. Definitely cold though. This is such a beastly window unit. Our next unit is a Amana Cool Zone. In my bedroom. My grandma's bedroom, which is a penthouse room. I put the window unit in next. By the way, I'll show myself turning this one off. Give her Freon flow. It's a 1994 model, by the way, if anyone's wondering. We have another one of these somewhere. I just don't know where that one's at. The other one's a Kenmore. The next unit. I don't really know what the dog is barking at. Oh, he's been sitting there in the snow the whole time. Snow dog. Kept the door open for you if you wanted to come inside. There's the Encon. And then there's that unit, which I believe the compressor kicked on. Yes, we have a central unit we never use. Yes, I am aware that is a brand new central air conditioner. The compressor's still not turned on. I'm going to let this thing have more time. I don't really know why, if this thing has like a warm up the thermostat. We'll go to the next bedroom. Well, right here's the bedroom unit. I'm not going to show the other higher, but we'll plug this right in, and it should come turning on. Well, it seems like the fan doesn't want to spin. Let's see if we can get a screwdriver in there and fix that. Here's a screwdriver. Let's plug this back in. We can take this front grill off. And it's hitting on everything once again. Put this back on. I don't know why the grill doesn't want to come back on, but okay. That's better. Now we'll just turn up the... Well, now I need a knob. Ha ha ha. We'll find a knob that works. There it is, cooling. This only takes a while to get cool. We'll go outside. Let's stand back, by the way, so I actually get a sense of what this one looks like. Well, I turned it to low fan. As you can tell, it's really hitting. I'll walk up to it. It has a Tecumseh rotary compressor. Well, I just pushed on it, and now the fan stopped. Now I'm gonna go back in there, we'll turn this thing off. This thing has seen better days, as you can tell. This one also came with the house. I believe this is original from when it was. Seems like it doesn't want to get moving again. It's definitely ice cold, these coils are freezing. Already building up lots of froth. Well, we're gonna shut it off anyway. Let's take, I'm gonna take this one out.